Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to convert decimal to mixed fraction. Let's look at some examples. We have 2.07 solution. So 2.07, to convert this one to mixed fraction, write your whole number, two whole number. This is 100. You have 7 over 100. So this is your answer. 14.28. To convert this number to mixed fraction solution. So you have 14.28. So you have to write your whole number. 14. This one is 1, 2. That is 28 over 100. So simplify it further. Divide this one by 4. Divide this one by 4. So you have 14 whole number 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 24.36. To convert this number to a mixed fraction, you have 24.36. You write your whole number. So you have 24. This one is how many? 1, 2 is 100. Is 36 over 100. So you simplify it further. Divide this one by 4. Divide this one by 4. We have 24 whole number. 36 divided by 4 is 9 over 100 divided by 4 is 25. So you have 24 whole number 9 over 25. 1.25 solutions. 1.25. So you have one whole number. This is 25 is 210. That is 100. You have 25 over 100. So you divide this one by 25. Divide this one by 25. So you have one whole number 1 over 4. 78.6 solution. So you have 78.6. 78 whole number. This is 1. So you have 6 over 10. We divide this one by 2. Divide this one by 2. So you have 78 whole number 3 over 5. 82.36 solution. So you have 82.36. 82 whole number. This is 1, 2. You have 36 over 100. So you divide this one by 4, divide this one by 4 in order to simplify it. So you have 82 number 36 divided by 4 is 9 over 100 divided by 4 is 25. Thank you for watching.